Hello and welcome to NV360 channel. This video shows what it is like crossing the USA land border from Canada via Ambassador Bridge. The border between the United States and Canada is the longest international border in the world, stretching over 8,000 kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west. There are 14 land border crossings between Ontario and the U.S. states of Minnesota, Michigan, and New York. Crossing the USA land border from Canada via the Ambassador Bridge is a straightforward process, but it does require proper preparation and adherence to customs regulations. By ensuring you have the necessary documentation, understanding the rules, and following the customs procedures, you can make your border crossing a seamless experience. The Ambassador Bridge stands as a symbol of the strong relationship between the United States and Canada, and crossing it offers travelers the opportunity to explore the rich cultural and natural landscapes of both nations. The Ambassador Bridge, which was built in 1929, is a magnificent steel suspension bridge spanning the Detroit River, serves as a vital gateway for travelers crossing between the United States and Canada. This bridge is one of North America's most historic and heavily trafficked international border crossings. For those embarking on a journey from Canada into the United States, the Ambassador Bridge offers a convenient and efficient means of entry. Before you embark on your journey across the Ambassador Bridge, there are some essential preparations and considerations to keep in mind. Ensure you have the necessary travel documents. For most travelers, this means having a valid passport, passport card, or enhanced driver's license. If you are not a U.S. or Canadian citizen, you may need a visa to enter the United States, so be sure to check the U.S. Department of State's website for visa requirements. If you plan to drive across the Ambassador Bridge, your vehicle must meet certain safety and environmental standards. Make sure your vehicle is in good working condition, complies with emissions regulations, and has the required insurance coverage. Familiarize yourself with the customs regulations and restrictions for both Canada and the United States. It's essential to know what you can and cannot bring across the border, as well as any duty or tax requirements. Before starting your journey, it's a good idea to check current wait times at the Ambassador Bridge. This information can help you plan your trip and avoid peak traffic hours. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth and efficient border crossing. Listen carefully to the customs officer's instructions. They may ask you to provide identification, proof of citizenship, or other documents. Follow their directions, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. They will ask you questions about your trip, your destination, and any goods you are carrying. Be honest and straightforward in your responses. If you are carrying any items that need to be declared, such as alcohol, tobacco, or items for commercial use, make sure to inform the customs officer. You may need to pay duties or taxes on these items. Once you have been cleared by customs, you will be allowed to continue your journey across the Ambassador Bridge and into the United States. Follow the signs and merge onto the appropriate lanes.